Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for hanging out with me today. So I did want to come on here and share with you guys a TjMaxx haul that I recently did this weekend, and also a Morphe order that I did on Morphe.com. It is just one item, so I thought I would include it in this TjMaxx haul because it's not a very big one. So let's just go ahead and get started. This one is the Morphe. And I picked this up because my son asked me to. So really, I paid for it, obviously, but my son wanted me to get it. So I would kind of say maybe it was from him in a sense. But he was really happy about it. And when it came out, he had mentioned it. I never knew about it or anything. I don't even know this person. But he said, he showed me it, and he was like, you know, you should get it. So I did. I picked it up. But this is the Morphe and Avani Greg for the Babes, I think is what it is, Artistry palette. It does look like this. And it looks just like the box. And the awesome thing about this is that it comes with shadows, but it does have a really big mirror. It comes with shadows, but it also comes with these liners down on the bottom. So these two rows here are liners. You wet your brush and then use them. And then all the rest of these are shadows. Really vibrant, really fun. I think it's a beautiful palette. I don't use a lot of color on my channel. I want to use a lot more. I want to get more comfortable in it. And that is another reason I decided to go ahead and get this. It is very similar to like the James Charles, which I do have. It was gifted to me. The Jeffree Star and Morphe. It's very similar in color tones. Even my Lisa Frank palette, now that I think about it. But again, I just kind of did it because my son was excited about it, and he just, you know, had mentioned it to me. It's super cute because her name is spelled out in several of the shadows. Which is nice. And then you have like a smiley face in one, a clover in another. It looks like, I don't know if that is a clover. And then a cute little face. So a couple of them have some details, which is cute. I am super excited to give this a try. Definitely want to do some looks with this. Again, it wasn't something I needed, but I got it, you know, because my son, he wants me to also do some videos, doing maybe like trying to recreate some of her looks that she did with this palette. So that is what I'm going to go ahead and do soon. I'm going to try to film some of those. Obviously, I'm not a makeup artist or anything like that, but yeah, I did pick that up from Morphe, and so I wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. TjMaxx stuff I'm going to share. So the first things that I picked up were these Real Technique brushes. I love Real Technique brushes. They can be very pricey at the drugstore, but I love to look for them at my Ross's, TjMaxx, Marshall's, because you can always get great deals on them. So I did find these. These are the Cashmere Dreams collection right there. They have the pretty pink handles with the white bristles right there. So this first one that I picked up is the, where's it at? Complexion. So this is the complexion brush, number 014. And all of these were $2.99. So you have that one there. I got the highlight brush, which is 020, right there. This is the contour fan. It's a thicker fan brush, 017. Excuse me. Sorry about burping. And again, they were $2.99 each of them, which I thought was a great deal. And this is the concealer brush. And it is not what you would think of a concealer brush. You know, you think of it being dense and packed in. This is more like open and airy. So it just gives like a flawless finish is what I'm assuming. So I'm really excited about this one. So there's those. And then I found these e.l.f. Retro Paradise Sponge Trio. I remember when this first came out, I saw this at Ulta and I saw it at Target, and Target was wanting $14.99 for these, and I was just like, that's just too much in my opinion for 3 sponges. I didn't, especially because I didn't need them. I don't need them now, but you know. But it does come with 3, and I paid $4.99 at TjMaxx. Like I said, it does come with the blending sponge, the total face sponge, and the small precision sponge, which I believe I have tried all of these. And I really do like them. They are really great sponges. And I will be going through my sponges and getting rid of some old ones that I've just had for some time and haven't gotten rid of. This is the e.l.f. Sheer Blurring Under Eye Primer with hyaluronic acid. I had never seen this before, and I thought, you know what, it does have a pinky tone, so I thought this might be nice to put underneath before my concealer and all of that, and this was $2.99. And like I said, if I could find the prices to all of these at the regular stores, like if you were to pick them up at the regular retailers, how much they would be, I'll put it on the screen. This is the Stila One Step Correct Eye Correcting and Brightening Serum. It is a 0.5 fluid ounce. I had never seen this before, and I thought this was pretty interesting for my under eyes. It's not a concealer, it's just a serum. It says it's an all-in-one eye serum with a triple swirled cocktail of peach tones, primes, erases dark circles, brightens, and hydrates. It has elderflower complex and caffeine, which help to depuff and soothe. Formulated with our Clay Youth Revival Bio-Mineral Complex, a blend of 15 vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. I thought that sounded great. You guys know I struggle with dark circles. I always have since a young girl. I think it's just because the color of my skin. I'm so pale and so light that I've always had dark circles, even as a young child. And it's just getting obviously worse with age. So it's just something that was kind of a hereditary thing. But I thought this would be great to try, and it was only $9.99. So let me show you guys what it actually looks like, because I did look at it in the store and I thought it was pretty interesting. And that is what it looks like right there. See how it has like those different combinations of peach tones and pinky tones in there. But I was like, that seems interesting. The first palette that I found was the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke Palette. And this was only $5.99, and I thought it was, and when I opened it, I was like, this is such a nice palette. Now, I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this for myself or give it away for like a gift or giveaway. Some of the, one of the shadows did kind of crumble in here a little bit, so I do got to clean that up. Has a really, really nice mirror, like full mirror. Usually, you know how you have cardboard around the mirror, but this is like a full-on mirror, which is nice. The shade range is so pretty. That is what it looks like. It does have a couple, like this black shadow has cracked a little bit and got on the palette, so I do need to clean that up. Got it on the a couple of the shadows, just a little bit, but not bad. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep this or keep it for a giveaway, because honestly, I like it for myself, but at the same time, it's not something that I need, so I decided it was a great deal, so that is why I picked it up. And the case itself is reflective, so yeah, for $5.99, can't beat that. Look at that black shadow that I picked that was on the mirror. I swatched it right there, and look how pigmented that is. That was so much more pigmented than the one from the Makeup Geek that I just got. But yeah, so there's that one. And this is the Cara Beauty. This is, what is it called? It's an eyeshadow palette. But I think these are the, I think they're called Magazine something. I'll find the right name. But this is issue number 1. I got 2 of the Cara Beauties. I got issue 1 and issue 2. So let me open this one and show you what the first one. They did retail for $6.99, which is very good. I saw them being sold on the website still for $20, I believe, maybe a little more. I will look on the website and put the prices as well. And then on I went to my local flea market here, and they had them for $20, and I was like, that's ridiculous, because I remember seeing these on Instagram, people sharing them and showing them for $6.99. So I'm like, nope, I'm not going to buy them, even though I want them, and I haven't found them, and I so happened to find them just recently, so I picked them up. Just because they're, like, to me, collector items. This is issue 1, Poetry of Love. It says, 16 colors for every day, soft but make it glam. That is what the front looks like. Very cute packaging. Really, really like it. It has eyeshadows, pressed pigments, glitters, and face powder items. So, again, this looks just like the box. Does have a mirror, and this is what the palette looks like. I'm so glad I got this. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Definitely have to do some more decluttering of palettes because this is gorgeous. And it looks like it has 2 glitters and 3 pigments, and all the rest are mattes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 mattes. It has a blush and a highlighter, and I think those are going to be great for my skin tone. On camera, they're not showing up as great as what they are, but definitely will be doing some looks with these soon. Figuring out a great way to use these. I may put them in my April palette usage for the month. I will see. Currently I have, I think, 3 eyeshadow palettes in my palette challenge for the month to use, but I may add more. And then this is issue 2, Starry Eyes. Look how pretty that is. Alright, and I'm assuming this has glitters and pigments as well. This is what this one looks like. $6.99, you cannot beat this. Right there, that is what it looks like. So it has 1 glitter, 1, 2, 3, looks like 3 pigments, and then the rest are mattes, a beautiful blush and bronzer. And I'm thinking this bronzer is going to be more suited for me. It does have a little bit of a red tone, but I think I will pass on the Makeup Geek one. And I can't put it in a giveaway because I think I did swatch it. Yeah, I did. So I will give it away to a friend that I think can use it that's darker than I am. She won't mind. I just swatched it with my clean hands. But yeah, that's super beautiful for $6.99. There's one more, and I could not find that one, but hopefully I can. And if I don't, that's okay, because it is more geared for deeper skin tones, so I'll be okay with just those 2. But that is everything that I picked up in my recent TjMaxx haul and Morphe haul. I picked up one thing for Morphe, and I wanted to share those with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it and you enjoy haul videos, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. If you have any type of video ideas or anything, please leave that down in the description below. I'd love to hear your guys' feedback and what you would like to see on my channel. If you have tried any of these products, let me know down below what you think of them. Did you enjoy them? Did you not? Why you didn't enjoy them? Why you do enjoy them? I would really appreciate that. So this is going to complete this video for today. I thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope that you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.